As I see so many graduation pictures being posted, I am reminded of a saying, the days are long, but the years are short. Your time passes so quickly. I know that because my youngest will soon become a grandmother. For some reason, we are always wishing away the season of life that we are in and longing for the next. We can't wait to be done with this so we can do that. My words of wisdom are, be present in the season that you're in and find joy in today. Oh, y'all, embrace those days of teething. Sing while you wash that mountain of laundry. Consider it a blessing when you taxi them from lessons to practice. Y'all, that is some of the best time for conversation. Don't wish it away. Find joy in today. And y'all remember, shine for Jesus.